कैसे होगा मेरा weight loss? How will I have the perfect figure? I'm getting married in 3 months. और मुझे अपना best look और best feel चाहिए, slim and perfect. But stress eating, bloating, or low energy were making me very nervous. Here I started Winthrox Figura, all natural support for weight loss and energy. Apple cider vinegar, green tea, garcinia, L-carnitine. Natural है, कोई side effects नहीं.
Winthrox Figura helped me reduce 10 kgs, वो भी in just 3 months. Now I feel lighter, more confident, and ready to shine on my big day. Future brides, if you want to feel your best, make Winthrox Figura your little secret.